Alright guys, let's quick modeling a table. Let's first start with a plane. Extrude it on Z axis. Select this 4 edge like that, and now let's bevel it. Alright, the middle mouse button. Select this face. Insert the face. Extrude it. Right click. Alt S. Now extrude it inward. Right click. Shade auto smooth. Move the cursor right here. Add another plane. Scale it on Y axis. Rotate it on Y by 90 degree. Rotate it like that. Let's move it right here. Scale it on X axis. Rotate it. Now let's select this vertex and move it like that. Let's move it right here, maybe like that. Let's also move this vertex like that. Now press A to select all, E to extrude, Alt S to extrude along the normal. Now let's select this face and let's bevel it. Again, let's select all, Shift D to duplicate, right click to cancel. Now let's change the pivot point to 3D cursor. Now let's scale it on X by -1. Now let's add a screw, Shift A, and now let's go to bolt. You have first to enable a bolt factory on add-on. Make sure that bolt factory is able. Let's move it right here. Now let's select all that, Shift D to duplicate, scale it on Y by -1. Now let's add a cube, scale it down, go to edit mode. Now let's select this face and now let's extrude it on Y axis. Now press A to select all, Shift D to duplicate, right click to cancel, scale it on X by -1. And now our table is ready. Okay, for the material, go online and download some wood material. And now simply apply it to your table. And when you apply it, go to edit mode. And now select this face for example, and now press U, then unwrap it. Do the same thing right here, U, unwrap. And now your material will look a little bit better. Right now for the screw, simply apply a metallic material. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.